Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I've got a box, came straight to my front door from bulk.com. Let's see what's in it. All right, I've got the specs for this box. It is a women's apparel, Ava and VIV Exhilaration A New Day. Original retail is $7.70. It's got 26 items in the box, and it cost me $113, and then including with shipping and all that stuff, it's going to be about $3.84 per item. When I include the shipping, I bought this in a set of 3 boxes, and so that's basically averaging it out amongst all of them. So 26 items in this box. Let me come around this way, open this side. So I believe I bought this one for some clothing pieces. I've been a lot more active on Posh lately, Poshmark, and so I bought this specifically so I could sell some of these pieces on Poshmark. And yep, here they are. So this is a leopard print ladies jacket, and it's a size 3X, made by, let's see if I can see through here, made by Ava and Viv, if you can see the tag there, and then the barcode is on it, but they're brand new with tags, and I got a bunch of them, so let's count them. 1, we got 2, and they're all the same size. 3, 4, fantastic condition. 5, 6, and 7 total. So that was that. I know I was going to make some pretty good money on, so I'm really excited to see the condition of that and that it is really new with tags. Then we've got some other items in here, still on a hanger. That's kind of funny. Here's a Massimo, which I think is a Target brand. Correct me if I'm wrong. This is a Massimo women's top, size large. It's a cold shoulder style because it's got the open arms. Pretty wrinkled, but I probably could steam it and get a good look. So that one's going to go on Posh for sure. Here is a dress. Looks like a lace dress. This is an Exhilaration brand, which is a Target brand. Originally $30. It's a purple dress. It's got an open back on it, so as you can see. So kind of the cropped open back mini dress. It's a size small. So generally open back for tiny people. All right, here's another shirt. It's a long sleeved, regular sleeves, no cold shoulder. This is a Knox and Row, really cute, kind of a peasant style top with neat detailing. Looks like size extra small for that one. It's a gray. All right, looks like the same shirt. Nope, a little bit different. It's a peasant style but short sleeved from Target. It's a Knox and Rose. It's got cute little tassels, very cute detailing. It's a size extra small as well. So it may be that we decide, since those are the same colors, we may sell them as a set or sell them separately. Okay, here's a fun, looks like a skirt, yes. This one is a what to wear. I don't know what size it is. Let me see, hold on. Size 24W. So it's a plus size skirt. Very pretty, floral, it's got a lace detail at the bottom and a cute ruffle. So, what to wear, 24W. And it's got a hidden zipper in there. All right, we've also got a cold shoulder, looks like tank top with a cold shoulder sleeve. This is a Knox and Rose, again, size small, purple, cute, kind of peasant style, cute detail with the palm trees and things like that on it. Very pretty. So these should all take very great pictures. Here is a, looks like I either have 2 of these or this comes as a set. So this is a dress. So it's an Exhilaration dress. Here's the front of it. Very cute little detailing here in the front. Some cutouts. It's a size, let's see, medium. And then if I turn it around, it's just plain. But it's got adjustable straps, which is really nice. So it'll fit various different sizes. Let's see what else this is. It's the same material. Same thing. But it's a size small. So this is really nice because on Posh you can take one picture and then put multiple different sizes. And these are new with tags, so that's kind of nice. So I'll be able to just make one listing for both of these sizes, which would be really convenient. So a size small and a size medium. Oh, I didn't even see this other one. And another size medium. So one listing for 3 items. That's going to be really convenient. So there's that. A size medium again. All right, let's see what else we got. It's a purple long sleeve peasant style top, size small, exhilaration. It's kind of a plum purple with really pretty shiny striped details down the sides. Very cute. All right, we've got a polka dot top. This is a what to wear. It's a size 2X. It's a really pretty kind of tank top camisole undershirt, something you would probably wear with a dress suit coat or even on its own, but it's very, very pretty. It's a 2X what to wear plus size women's white and black polka dot shirt. All right, let's see what else we got. We got a pair of size 18, 34 waist R. So these are women's. They're Massimo denim high-rise skinny jeans, 18 34R regular, so they have the European and the regular sizes. New with tags. They're black, kind of suede, heavy-duty pants. Those are cute. All right, let's see. So it is all women's clothing, which I am really glad to see. That sells really good on my Poshmark site. If you're interested in buying anything off the Poshmark site, go ahead and check the link below. I've got it listed in the description. This is an exhilaration size small. It looks kind of, it's a dress, but it's got 3 little ruffles, 1, 2, 3 on the sleeve. Floral, very pretty, looks very comfortable. It says size small, but it looks kind of large for a size small, but it might be the style of wear of this particular piece. So it's black with floral and some stripes on it. Swimwear, perfect timing for that. This is a swimwear tank. This is a size, it's a Marona, size extra large. And then it's got the halter style tie top. And then across the back, it does have extra support that goes right across the middle of the back so you can clasp that. So it's a halter style swimsuit top with checkers, Marona style. All right, and then we've got a sweater. A lot of people think I can't sell sweaters now. Large. It's a size large. It is a just a blue sweater. I don't see a... Exhilaration is the brand. A lot of people think I shouldn't sell sweaters nowadays, but there are still colder climates and people still buy sweaters even in the middle of summer, especially off Poshmark and eBay because you can't find them in the stores right now. It's got a diamond-shaped cutout right in the back, which is a really pretty detail. But this is extremely soft. It's a tunic length, which means it goes past the waist, and it should be very flattering because of the way the stitching is done on the front. Alrighty, what else do we got here? What fun surprises. This is a skirt with a hidden zipper. It is a size 10. It's a what to wear, and it's a black pencil skirt with a ruffle at the bottom. Very, very pretty. Just a plain classic black pencil skirt. Very pretty. Size 10. I think we got one or two more things in here. Oh, 3 things. 3 things left. All right. This is a tunic style top. This is a Gilligan and O'Malley brand. It is an XXL, so it's a 2XL tunic top with cute ruffly sleeves, very lightweight. Be perfect for summertime wear. And of course, it's got the extra length. So I don't know if that's a mini dress or a tunic shirt. I would say it was a tunic shirt just because of the length of it. But you could wear it with leggings and wear it kind of like a mini dress. This is in Andy way, an extra small, new with tags, cardigan with cute little bling on the front. It's a burgundy maroon type color, long sleeve, new with tags over here on the side. That's a cute one. Okay, I think this is the last piece. Yes, last piece in here. It's a cute little dress, it looks like. It's Exhilaration extra large. It's got a high neck on it. Really pretty peasant style with the ruffles on both sleeves. And then it's got a cute little keyhole cut out right at the top of the back. But this is really pretty purple, a little bit heavier weight, so it's going to hang nice on you with black and some other paisley details. So there's my lot out of this box. As you can see, everything is gone. 26 items, about $3.84 per item. I definitely know that most of that I can sell for higher, and especially because it's new with tags. And check out my Poshmark site. I'm going to put most of it on there. And I hope this has been helpful. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin Reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.